Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Passat steering wheel step by step. First, disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 10 minutes before touching the airbag. Remove the horn pad screws and gently lift the airbag module away, then unplug the airbag connector using a plastic pry tool. Keep bolts organized and mark the steering wheel position to preserve alignment when reassembling for a safe, straightforward process. Remove the 2 Torx screws behind the wheel to release the airbag module. Carefully pull the module forward just enough to access the connectors and depress the locking tab to unplug the airbag harness. Set the airbag face up on a soft surface away from your workspace. Keep the module at a safe distance and handle with care, as sudden impacts can cause deployment and injury even when disconnected from the battery. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: when you're under the dash or on concrete, treat your feet right. Darn Tough socks offer comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long wrenching sessions. I use them during lengthy repairs, and they make the job a bit more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mark the steering wheel alignment before loosening the center nut so you can reinstall it straight. Loosen and remove the retaining nut while holding the wheel firmly to prevent rotation. If the wheel is stuck, thread a proper wheel puller to evenly apply pressure until the wheel slides off the splines. Once removed, inspect the clock spring and column for wear, replace parts as needed, and keep all fasteners labeled for reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.